I got to see this bridge start up. In my first co-op term in 2019, they started putting in the foundations for the towers, and I got to see that construction basically from base level up to where it is now. So definitely helps ignite your passion.
I feel very lucky to be doing my first co-op at Canada's first EV battery plant.
I'm able to lead projects on my own and work and collaborate with individuals that give me the opportunity to have hands-on learning opportunities.
I don't think I would have had this opportunity if it weren't for the co-op office, so I feel very grateful to end up where I did.
Co-op was critical into the real world. Not long after graduating, a position opened up. I applied, and 5 years later, I'm still helping tell the story of the Gordie Howe International Bridge.
It's been an amazing experience to be able to meet so many new people, to be working in a state-of-the-art facility, and to be able to interact with real-life engineers to be able to further my own career.
We always come out prepared, we get that hands-on learning, and we work hard.
I'm a proud Lancer.
And I'm thriving in my career.